All right, I'm absent. This is your assignment. I would like to show you how to do each section of these Delta Maths to make your life easier. If you don't want to watch this with sound, have at it. All right, so the first section is going to ask you to find the common ratio or the common difference. If it says common difference, it means you're adding over and over and over again. So what do I add to 11 to get 20? Well, I know that's 9 because I can do that in my head. If I can't do it in my head, I take A2, second term, so 20, and I subtract A1, first term, which is 11. 20 minus 11 is 9. So you will write a 9 in that box. If you get a problem, I'm still on the same section, but I've got a problem, and this time it says common ratio. That means I am multiplying. To find the common ratio, when you multiply, you take A2, so negative 48, and you divide it by A1, negative 16. All right? And that is a 3, so that means I am multiplying 3 every time, so I'm going to put a 3 in that blank. So you've just got to read every time and know whether it says common ratio, multiplication, or common difference, addition. All right, the next section is going to ask you to find the nth term in the geometric sequence. This is when we have to use our formula. A1 R n minus 1. Okay, so I'm going to need to figure out my A1, my R, and my n. My A1 is the first term. It's an 8. My R, that is my common ratio. To get the R, I'm going to take A2, second term, and I'm going to divide it by A1, so I'm going to divide it by 8. What's your negatives here? Negative 16 divided by 8 is negative 2. So my R is a negative 2. The n is what we're looking for. Find the 10th. So n is 10. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to say my A1 is 8 times my R is negative 2, and the n is a little bitty exponent 10 minus 1. You type this in your calculator and you will get your answer. All right. Okay, this one, you're going to have to fill in blanks. So it says, determine if the sequence below is arithmetic or geometric and determine the common difference or common ratio in simplest form. So if it is adding over and over, it's arithmetic. If it's multiplying, it's geometric. Common difference always goes with arithmetic. Common ratio always goes with geometric. So 3, let's see, plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 8. So this is addition, so I know it's arithmetic. If it's arithmetic, it has to be common difference. And then I figured out that it was adding 8, so I just put an 8 right here. Okay, so you'll do all of these. Hopefully this video will help you through them. Thank you.